There it is. There it is. That's just one of my favorite sounds in the whole world. Yep, right there. The red-winged blackbird. I bet it's one of your favorite sounds too. I wonder why though. There is a little element of surprise in it. It seems to come out of nowhere. Oh, maybe they're flying away. There it is. Yeah, something cool about that sound. Maybe you know what it is. You tell me what you think it is. I'm not sure what it is. It has a musical machinery-like quality to it. Almost like it's a little burst of harpsichord or something. I don't know. It's a cool sound though, I gotta admit. All right, later.